He mocked her in front of everyone. But then her lawyer dropped one file, and the courtroom fell silent. No one expected Elena to even show up in court. Her ex-husband, Martin Crane, was a billionaire tech mogul. He arrived in a luxury suit, grinning like he'd already won. The divorce was messy. He had lawyers stacked, 3 deep, and walked into court acting like this was a press event. Elena? She walked in quietly, wearing a simple blazer and flats, holding nothing but a folder and her lawyer's hand. Martin laughed as she sat down. "Nice to see you upgraded. From my money to public transit," he whispered loud enough for the courtroom to hear. Even the judge looked annoyed by his arrogance. He smirked through the entire first hour, talking about prenups, her spending habits, and how she never contributed to his success. He ended by saying, "Your Honor, she just wants a payout. She doesn't deserve anything." Then it was Elena's lawyer's turn. He stood up calmly, nodded to the judge, and said, "We'd like to introduce Exhibit 14. He placed a USB drive on the desk. The judge glanced at Martin's team. "What's this?" Martin asked, suddenly serious. Elena's lawyer said, "It's a video from 8 years ago, when Martin's first prototype failed. This was taken in their garage." The lights dimmed. The court watched. It was grainy footage, Elena holding a soldering iron, tweaking the device, guiding Martin through a breakdown. "You've got this," she said on video. "I sold my car so we could build this. I believe in you. In us." Martin went pale. His own voice was on the video next. "I wouldn't be here without you, Elena." The courtroom sat in silence. Elena's lawyer turned to the judge. "We also have financial records showing she supported their startup with her own savings, worked 2 jobs, and filed all legal documents under her name during incorporation." The judge looked at Martin's attorneys. They had no rebuttal. But the bombshell. Elena's lawyer placed a final envelope on the table. "And lastly, Your Honor, a letter from Mr. Crane, signed by him, renouncing the prenup in exchange for her, staying during the merger year, dated and notarized." Martin's smile was long gone. The judge didn't even deliberate. "The court awards Mrs. Crane 50% of all shared assets, including tech holdings." Martin stood up. "This is insane! That was personal. She tricked me." Elena finally looked up. "No, you just forgot who helped you build your empire. If you believe respect matters more than money, please like, subscribe, and share this story. Because real success is built with loyalty and lost with arrogance."